at a house. He then moved in the same direction for 40 meters, turned to his right and moved 100 meters. How many meters was he away from the post office? See here, the problem figures look to be difficult, but they are not so. Very simple problem. See, this is the post office, 100 meters away from him. He turns to left. See, he turns to left, then delivers the letter at B, then moves 40 ahead, and then turns right, and then moves 100. So these two are 100, right? And this is 90. So what is the distance of D from the post office? 50 plus 40, 90. So 90 is the answer. 90 meters. Next, in a row of 40 boys, Satish was shifted 10 places to the right of Rohan. Karthik was shifted 10 places to the left of Vikas. If Vikas was 26th from the left and there were 3 boys between Karthik and Satish after shifting, then what was the position of Rohan in the row? Don't get jumbled up, okay? Always remember here one basic thing. Satish was shifted 10 places to the right of Rohan. Means if you want the position of Satish, then you will have to know the position of Rohan, or vice versa also. Means if you want the position of Rohan, you need to have a position of Satish, right? Both are dependent. If any one of them is not fixed, the other one cannot be found, right? Okay. So now move ahead. Karthik was shifted, that's afterwards. Vikas was 26th from left. See here, this is right over here, so this is left. So Vikas was 26th. Start counting 26th, and here is Vikas. Okay. Now what is given? Karthik was shifted 10 places to left of Vikas, right? So Karthik is over here, this side, shifted to left. Here is Karthik, right? Okay. Now next is what? 3 boys between Karthik and Satish. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha, plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.